Pisa Sarosole race number 5 on the card, lower handicap for 3 years old and over 1 mile and a quarter. The trip to travel, so 2,000 meters. Low Girl opens the field number 1, Lorenzo Scalora in the saddle, Drunk, White, Love, number 2, Dario Di Tocco, Killer Coffee, number 3, Andrea Fele, Palais Monaco, number 4, Gavino Sanna, Kentin, 5, Sergio Urru, Lotus Blue, number 7, Dario Vargiu, Percussionist, 8, Alessio Satta, Black Royal, number 9, Abila El Herreras, Re Angelo, 10, Raimondo Stefano Sayut, Satis Nunquam, 11, Federico Bossa, Hurricane, Dream, number 12, Leonardo Cangiano. Wide open race. The lowest price belongs to number 10, Re Angelo. Impressive winner last time out in back-to-back style. Will try to make it again. Re Angelo, 4 years old by Full Drago, 9 on 2. Drunk White Love, 4 to 1. After a disappointing transfer in Sicily, where suffered the dirt track, turns back to race over its favorite course and surface. Today we are racing over soft to heavy, sticky ground, not easy to come from the back. So the front runner are definitely favor in this meeting. Number 5, Kentin by Ade. 4 to 1 for him also. Good performer for last time winner in Milano. Repeat that target in Pisa before being out of the money over the dirt track in Milano. But is turning to race over its favorite track. So Re Angelo, Drunk White Love, Kentin, Palais Monaco number 4, traded 7 to 1. Is another positive runner that can ride and read over this track. Killer Coffee, strong contender in case of solid pace. Lotus Blue, number 7 by Ribchester, currently traded 6 to 1. Another to carefully watch too, but they're in the gate. They're off and racing. Number 5 in Pisa Sarosole, 2,000 meters to travel, Percussionist. Then on the near side, it's Drunk White Love, number 2, that is going to make some ground outside of Percussionist, left in third, the Orange Silk along the rail, Satis Nunquan, fourth outside, Lotus Blue, Re Angelo and Low Girl in fifth and sixth, Black Royal mid-pack behind in total white and black cap. Re Angelo is the one under blinkers that is racing wider from the rail and now is trying to reduce the gap, left in third last, Palais Monaco in purple and pink, with Low Girl, the back marker of the race, with Hurricane Dream. Up to the middle side of the backstretch, it's Lotus Blue that is joining on top, Percussionist, Drunk White Love in wide nose band and white cap. Spark itself right behind of them. Satis Nunquan fourth on the far side. Re Angelo is now in fifth. Black Royal and then Kentin in sixth and seven. Around the far bend, they are going to travel without any changes in this running order when Percussionist is ridden for more, hardly chased by Lotus Blue. Drunk White Love is making a very good ground in free wides. Then Re Angelo and Low Girl, Palais Monaco, Black Royal towards the inside. When Drunk White Love down to the center of the track seems to be prominent. Then on the far side, even the blue silk of Quentin. Then Hurricane Dream is dropping out over the rail. Palais Monaco, then Re Angelo well beaten with number 12 Hurricane Dream, chased by Kentin, and then Percussionist, Drunk White Love, well beaten, and it's Quentin that looks to be prominent over number 12 Hurricane Dream and 8 Percussionist. 5, 12, 8. That should be the provisional result here in Pisa San Rossore. Let's watch the replay back. 5, 12, 8, 4. That's the provisional result with Quentin over Hurricane Dream. Then Percussionist, and in fourth, Pali Monaco. That's all from Pisa.